Welcome back everybody, Derek Answer here, and today I'll be taking you guys through a really nice chest workout. Before we begin today's content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Here's the workout list for today. We'll be going through a chest workout attacking all levels of the chest from the top to the bottom to the middle. We begin the first exercise with some wall chest lifts. Let's go ahead and smash this. Let's go. Here we have some alternating flat chest press while performing this exercise. Pay attention to exactly where my elbows are located. It's not parallel to my chest. It's slightly at an angle, giving me better isolation on my chest. Let's get it. Next up, we'll be attacking the bottom chest, and we'll be doing so by performing some flat chest flies. And while you're performing this exercise, it's also important. Pay attention once again to the elbows. Pay attention to how slightly my elbows are bent, but not too much, because I still want to be able to get a good stretch on my chest. Now we move on to attack the upper part of our chest, and we'll be doing so by using our incline bench. And if you don't have an incline bench at home, you can also get this by performing a military press by slightly leaning backwards and putting a lot of the focus on your upper chest and your front delts. These static holds are excellent for attacking the upper part of your chest. Now we move on to attack the upper part of our chest once again by performing some incline chest flies. And while you're performing this move, it's also important to understand these flies also help to engage the middle part of your chest as well. So take your time, slightly bend your elbows, and as you can see, I'm bringing my arms down by my chest as opposed to the upper part of my chest. Now we are on to the next exercise. And due to us not having a decline bench, most of us not having a decline bench at home, we're going to create our own decline by performing a glute bridge. And what we'll be doing here is some decline underhand press. Really excellent workout for attacking the bottom part of your chest. And while you're performing, take your time. Really get a good squeeze in at the top. Now you know we can't forget some good old decline flies. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be grabbing some light dumbbells, creating a glute bridge, and going ahead and getting these decline flies in. And once again, as you can see, the elbows are slightly bent, but my arms are almost straight because I want to get more depth when it comes to the flies. elevated push-ups will be the last exercise for today's chest workout. If you've made it this far, I'd like to start off as always by saying thank you. I appreciate you for watching this video all the way through. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then also tap the notification bell to get updates every time I drop a new video. Hopefully you like the exercise. Until next time, peace.